Alam mo yung kahit kompleto ka na sa skincare, pero your skin still looks tired? Medyo dull pa rin, may konting marks, at uneven yung tone? Ganun din ako. May visible pores, tapos may ilang acne scars pa. Akala ko, sapat na yung routine ko. Pero minsan, kulang pa rin talaga. That's when I tried the Pico Laser Facial sa Earth Vermosa. Non-invasive siya, no downtime, at nakakatulong siya mag-clear ng pores, brighten dull skin, at even out the tone. They applied carbon lotion on my face, then started the laser treatment. Walang sakit, just a warm tapping feeling. Mabilis at comfortable lang yung buong session. After the treatment, mas smooth yung skin, and it looked fresher. Hindi drastic, pero noticeable. Kung marami ka nang na-try pero parang kulang pa rin, this might be the subtle boost your skin needs. Book your Pico Laser Facial today.